Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FunMath number 111.
FunMath number 111. Today we're following section 5.2, right?
Yeah.
Of Art of Problem Solving's algebra book. Guess we didn't make a movie about 5.1. Okay, what section or chapter 5 of Art of Problem Solving's algebra book is about systems of linear equations. So where you just have x to the first power, y to the first power. No x, y is nothing like that. So this section is about solving systems of equations by substitution. And what do we mean by substitution?
It means substituting x in terms of y's. Or
okay.
Something like that.
All right. So let's go through an example. We just wrote this problem on the board, and let's see if it works. Go. Okay. What's the easiest variable to eliminate?
We can do x.
Okay. What is from that first equation?
X plus 2y equals 7. So x equals 7 minus 2y.
Okay. That tells us this first equation, x plus 2y equals 7, tells us that x equals 7 minus 2y. What are we going to do with that?
Now we substitute this in here.
Okay. So let me just, let me give you a little bit of room here. We're going to say x equals 7 minus 2y, and we're going to put that into this equation. Okay. Just to give you a little bit of room down here. Okay. What happens when I put in x equals 7 minus 2y into that equation?
2 times 7 minus 2y.
2 times 7 minus 2y.
Minus y.
Minus y.
Equals negative 1.
Equals negative 1. Okay, great.
So it's 14 minus 4y minus y equals negative 1.
Alright.
14 minus 5y with negative 1 minus what into both sides? So minus 5y equals
Minus 5y equals
negative 15.
Okay, step this way a little. Okay, minus 5y equals minus 15.
So negative y equals minus 3. Y equals 3.
Alright, so we just found that y equals 3. And we somehow magically stayed on the screen, which is good.
Yeah.
Okay, so we found that y equals 3.
So x is 7 minus 2y. So x is 1.
Okay, x is 7 minus 6, which is 1. So we found y equals 3, x equals 1.
Well, let's check. Does
Okay.
1 plus 6 equals 7?
So the next thing to do is when we have our solution, go all the way back to the beginning. Does 1 plus 6 equal 7?
Yes.
Yes. What's this equation say?
It says 2 minus 3 equals negative 1. And that is correct.
Okay, very good. So, reviewing real quick. The substitution method of solving these equations often is a really good method, right?
Yeah.
Although in the example, in one of the homework problems from section 5.2, they show where not so good.
Yeah, there's a mountain of work to do.
Okay, so we find an easy variable to solve for. In this case, it's this x, which is 7 minus 2y. Then we put into the other equation, right?
Yeah.
2 times 7 minus 2y minus y equals minus 1. 14 minus 4y minus y equals minus 1. 14 minus 5y equals minus 1. Minus 14 minus 5y equals minus 15. Negative y equals negative 3. Moving.
No, this is, I subtracted 14 from both sides.
Oh, I'm sorry. Let's go back up here. 14 minus 5y equals minus 1. Subtracting 14 from both sides gives us minus 5y equals minus 15. Divide by 5. You can also divide by minus 5 if you want. Divide by 5, you get minus y equals minus 3, or y equals 3. Substituting back in for x, 7 minus 6 is 1.
And 2 minus 3 is negative 1.
2 minus 3 is minus 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Okay, very good. Good job. That's a very good example. It's a great method to learn, the substitution method. And we got some good homework problems about it today.